Alright, so today we're gonna do a sound test of the ZST-X versus one of the more popular KZ IEMs, the KZ-ZSN Pro in the price range. So definitely there's a lot of people who's comparing these two, which one is the best for you. So I did an unboxing of the ZST-X, links in the upper right corner, and I find it to be a bit different compared to your ZSN Pro, but definitely still a KZ type of sound. So we're gonna find out in the sound test which one is for you. And of course, I do like to announce that I'll be launching my first single in the 24th, 5 days away, guys. So make sure you're subscribed in my new YouTube channel as well for my music. So let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.